guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Orchid Lover Teams Ems here. I would just like to update to you guys this pal that I had that about 6 months ago or so, after she had a flower for me, and this is the second time that she's flowering. And look at this, guys. Last week ago, we just opening this two up like that. This one, the first one, and then following day the second one here, and also this one here, and then this one here in the bottom, and right now today is weekend and she's just opening. And then look at the cute little bud here. According to my husband, it's really look like an alien plant. It really is, because when you consider yourself, when you're always watching that, because this is really my stress reliever. And so my husband too, when we look at it, like really every single minute she open it really slow. I just wish I can take it like very nice slow motion so I can show it to you guys. It will be really exciting. But anyhow, I just show it to you. And look at this, man. Isn't she really gorgeous? And then when you open the lip and really tiny open it, and it's slowly like that, and then it's really just opening like that. Look at the beautiful color, really beautiful body. She is really gorgeous. And look at the lip of her. Oh my goodness, she's really going crazy with the rainwater, and of course the beautiful nutrients that we gave to her. Of course we slow down giving them in the winter because they don't like so much get wet, and also they are, so I just leave them alone. And a little bit yellow there in the leaves, but actually that's okay. That's the result when all this energy goes, the plants give all the energy to the flowers. So a little more, if in order for the flowers or plants look more gorgeous, of course in order the plants to get to the flowers look gorgeous, all the nutrients and energy it goes to the flowers. So that's what you're aiming, guys. That's what they're aiming. So that's it. And I'm really happy to update this to you guys. In some of our additional orchids here, I'm gonna update to you as long as I can. And also I just really get you a really quick tour in this beautiful Phalaenopsis body here. Forget about the background there. It's really too much here in the big long table. So guys, this is beautiful Phalaenopsis. They are there together, and look at her, man. She's really gorgeous. I really like the detail of her. She's very healthy, and I'm very happy and so proud that I tell you guys that whatever I did to our plants collection here is really working for me. And I'm really hoping and pray that it will be goes on until really, can have more cakes one day. Hopefully I will see. The main thing is I just maintain them. If I really a lot of time, I really maintaining them, and I don't abandon them at all. Although I'm busy, I just keep giving them a care. That's it. But good thing if the winter come, I don't need they don't need a lot of food. So but as long as the base and the media is not very bone dry, and then you'll be fine. So I thought this is really a quick review from me, guys, because I'm just really tempting to give this really. Now I really got really good time for me to give you this really beautiful plants, the updates. This one especially, the buds is opening, and she is very gorgeous, and she's been really good, really good. That is why I just would like to update this to you guys, to all our followers, subscribers, loyal subscribers. Here it is. We update to you guys now and see what's happening with this. And also the bottom pile here as well. I got still a few of them got still opening, some of the rest, so I'm just gonna get it to you later on. This one is so big, really big compared to this. Look at this, guys. This one, it wasn't really that so big. See that? Compared to this other big Phalaenopsis. See that, guys? See the result? And compared to this one, wow, this is like half size with this. This is such a really huge flowers. I'm so happy to update with you guys today, guys, before it will opening fully. And there's another more here to open. That's our lid light here. Very good. That's the one creating very nice flower in the winter. So guys, I take really so closely with this now. So these flowers is really make us really good and feel us right now. So also with this copied one, it just make this all this collection is just really make us sing this insane world high. Okay guys, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video of mine, short video that I showed this to you about this beautiful body phalaenopsis of ours. Thank you so much, guys. As I said, my husband said this is look like an alien, isn't it? When he said it to me, because it is, because when you open this one fully, all of them, actually this one, the lip is starts to show up, and it look a kinda weird until you realize that after tomorrow a few hours it's just fully open, and voila, this is really exactly look like that. Very awesome plant. Oh my god, I'm so excited to show this to you guys, all of you guys. Thank you, and as I said again, enjoy this as much as always do, and take care everybody. As I said, always love her here in Australia or Team. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, so you can update to our latest video that we're uploading very soon. And thank you so much, and give us a thumbs up, likes and share even. Thank you. I'm really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all the lovely support, and we will always do the same for you guys. Make sure you leave the comment down below and always do the right thing, and we always do the same for you guys. Thank you, and we always come back to you as soon as we can. Don't worry, we will come back to you as soon as we can. Thank you all, and have a good day. Have a lovely day, and take care. Bye bye, and see you very soon. Here is the shortcut. Enjoy. Here's the very focus. Enjoy.